What if I told you there are small business ideas so unique that most people haven't even heard of them yet? Not drop shipping, not coffee shops, not t-shirts. I'm talking about hidden gems that quietly make big profits. These are simple, creative, and low-cost businesses anyone can start, even if you've never run a business before. In this video, we'll explore 7 best small business ideas to start a small business for beginners. Number 1. Eco-Brick Creations. Collect plastic waste and convert it into colorful, reusable eco-bricks for home decor, garden walls, and furniture. It's zero-waste art meets sustainability. You help clean the planet while selling creative pieces to eco-conscious customers. Perfect for small workshops, schools, or local communities where waste management is a big issue. Number 2. Pet Fitness Coach. Yes, pets need workouts too. Offer customized exercise plans, outdoor walking sessions, and diet charts for lazy or overweight pets. You can brand yourself as a certified pet fitness trainer. This business booms in urban areas where pet owners lack time but care deeply about their furry friends. Number 3. Mini Cloud Kitchen Pods. Start a hyper-local, one-dish-only kitchen model from a compact, rented kitchen or home setup. Focus on one trending meal like vegan wraps or protein bowls and deliver through apps. It's cost-efficient, scalable, and perfect for experimenting with trending food categories without running a full restaurant. Number 4. Memory Video Studio. Create short, cinematic life recap videos for birthdays, anniversaries, or retirements using clients' photos and clips. Use AI tools for editing and storytelling. People love emotional storytelling, and this idea turns digital nostalgia into a thriving creative business that can start from your laptop. Number 5. Silent Study Cafe. A cafe where talking is banned, only reading, writing, or working. Offer peaceful ambience, snacks, and high-speed Wi-Fi. Charge hourly or daily passes. It's ideal for students, freelancers, and remote workers who crave calm over coffee. This concept is trending fast in Europe and Japan and spreading globally. Number 6. Subscription Plant Box. Deliver monthly indoor plants to customers with care instructions and small pots. Add educational value by teaching plant care online. It's sustainable, aesthetic, and repeat income friendly. Every new subscriber means long-term passive growth, and this trend keeps expanding with eco-friendly lifestyle shifts worldwide. And number 7. Micro experience booths. Set up small sensory booths in malls or events, 5-minute ocean experience or rainforest sound therapy. Use screens, sound, and scent diffusers. People pay for short mental breaks. It's a future-ready relaxation business for modern, stressed-out city life. Small setup, big impact. If you found these business ideas inspiring, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more unique startup ideas every week.